Escape the winter blues and enjoy sailing at its very best in the secret Caribbean paradise of Grenada and the Grenadines. From our base in Grenada, you can captain one of our luxury yachts, or we can provide you with a skipper, and even a chef too if you like. They comfortably sleep up to 8 people and come well equipped, so you can just relax and enjoy worry-free sailing. And the only way to experience these breathtaking natural wonders of the marine world is from the deck of your own sailing yacht. Discover heaven on earth with Horizon Yacht Charters of Grenada.